So all the student, today we are discuss your important topic, the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act in the past 1985 with the rules. So in this topic we are discuss about the topic like what is the basic introduction, what is the objective, why need for this act. So Narcotic Control Bureau, which authority and officer regulate this act, and which penalty, how can break the rules. So let us start the basic introduction. So the all the system of a medicine are the based on the natural drug, but a large number of synthetic drug also used in the allopathic or modern system of a medicine. So natural and synthetic substance are the better known for the non-medicinal property. So government have like established in the act like Opium Act in the 1857. So the Opium Act is replaced by the 1857. So this act is called the Dangerous Drug Act. So next some time after the government is will be changing the act like circumstances and developing in the field like drug traffic and drug abuse at the national or international level. So many drawback has come to a notice in the said act. So the government of India has been replaced these old act and the pass new act, the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. So these act is established in the 14 November 1985. So it is also provide the license system for both center and state government. So what is the main objective of this act? So the main objective of this act is the considerations and attempt to the law relative to a narcotic drug. How do we make the provision for controlling and regulate the operation and relative to the narcotic drug and as well as the psychotropic substance. So material is connected with these. So like the other substance in the come into the narcotic substance like a person is habituated to a regular use of the any narcotic drug like opium, cocaine, heroin and other psychotropic substance. So like a ganja, so these is the flowering and fruit tops of the cannabis plant. So these are plant in the under the category of narcotic like a medicinal cannabis. So it is the any extent or any extraction like a cannabis we can use in the medicinally because it can be used in a medicinally psychotropic agent like a coca derivative. So it include pure cocaine which can be used directly or indirectly for the manufacturing of cocaine. So cocaine is a methyl ester of benzyl. It is the salt and group of the substance present in the cocaine. So other one is like a opium. So it is the co-regulated use of the opium poppy. So it is a mixture with or without natural material. So these are the substance we can use in the naturally and as well as the semi-synthetic substance. So these are government have the established the rule for the controlling of these narcotic substance, but it can be used in the medicinal purpose. And government have the provide the license for the narcotic controlling act like a state government and as well as the central government because government should be a control on narcotic substance like a opium poppy. So it include the plant of Papaver somniferum. So these plant is other also for the narcotic substance, but it can be a alkaloid substance in the extension, but it can be used in the medicinal purpose because it can be directly act the GABA receptor. So it is the psychotic agent we can use for the pain relief and as well as the hypnotic and sedative, but because we can use for the psychotic disorder, so we sometimes we can use on these substance basic on the medicinal purpose. So government should be a proper license on the use of these drug on the basic of the medicinal purpose. So Narcotic Control Bureau like a NCB like a Narcotic Control Bureau was established on the 17 March 1986 to the enable the full. So these is act for the regulate of the Narcotic Control Bureau. So these are the proper controlling of the misuse of the drug. So main headquarter at Delhi of a Narcotic Control Bureau. Again I will discuss Narcotic Control Bureau. These established on the 17 March 1986 for because it can be a pass for the controlling of narcotic substance and controlling of misuse of a narcotic substance. So the main headquarter in the Narcotic Control Bureau at the Delhi. So it is the chief law of enforcement and intelligence agency of the India. So director general, so which is authority and officer under work in the Narcotic Bureau like a central government to take measure for the preventing and the combination abuse of the narcotic drug and illicit of traffic. So government should be a control of the misuse of drug. So coordinate of the action by the various officer enrollment in this authority like a state government and other authority under this act. So under any other law for the enforcement of the provision of this act like under the international agency involved in because it can be a misuse for the international level. So government should be a control in the state, in the center and in the country and as well as the control of the international manufacturing. So government and authority should be a proper controlling of this act. So like but sometimes we can be knowledge about the like how can use the treatment, education, awareness and after caring, rehabilitation and social. So these are the some other basic fundamental like other officer for the central government. So these are the like they appointment narcotic commissioner. So other officer at it think the function. So the supervision of the cultivation of opium poppy. So these are the cultivation for the medical purpose. So government should be provide a license for the cultivation of these drug like a manufacturing drug for the medical purpose. So not used for the other drug abuse. So government should be a supervisor and cultivation of the opium poppy. But production of the opium is a control for the like a consultative committee. So the committees consist of like a chairman and other members. So not exceed more than 20 members. So committee shall be advise the central government on the materials so relating to the administration of this act because it can be administration on the basis of the medical purpose. So prohibitions and control and regulation. So prohibition of the operation of like a no person shall be a cultivation any coca plant or gather any the position of coca plant but cultivation the opium poppy or any cannabis plant. So government should be a prohibition of the operation. So it can be a no person shall be a cultivate without the permission and without the license. So produce, manufacturing, processing, sale, purchasing, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import or interstate and export, interstate and important into the India. So export from the India. So any narcotic drug and psychotropic substance exemption for the medicine and scientific purpose. So it can be not directly who the person was the permission but power of the central government to be permitted control and regulation like the cultivation, gathering of any position of the coca plant only on the account of the central government. So central government have the permission. So central government have the power कि who the person is growing this plant, who the person is cultivation, but it the based on the medical purpose. So government should be only the account of the central government. So the production, sale, purchasing, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate use and consumption of the coca leaf. So the cultivation of the opium poppy only the account of the central government. Again I will discuss power of this government to a permit, control and regulate, because the cultivation or gathering of any position of coca plant, but only account of under the central government. So central government is the only position who the person is cultivation, but on the basis of a license. So it license provide the central government. So the production and manufacturing of opium and production of poppy drugs, so the sale of the poppy and poppy derivative from the central government factory. So कौन है इनको जो सेल कर सकता है, वो किसके अंडर आएंगी, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के अंडर आएंगी। तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ही डिसाइड करेगी कि कौन इस प्लांट की कल्टीवेशन कौन करेगा, और जो जितनी भी इनकी फैक्ट्री होंगी वो गवर्नमेंट के अंडर होंगी, और उनमें सभी का कंट्रोल किस पर का होगा, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का। तो गवर्नमेंट शुड बी ए सेल ऑफ द ओपियम एंड ओपियम डेरिवेटिव फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट फैक्ट्री फॉर द एक्सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द इंडिया एंड सेल टू द स्टेट। So government to the manufacturing chemicals. So the importance into the India and export from the India transformed like a narcotic department. So the manufacturing, processing is a transport, import or international. So interstate and export inter the state purchasing, consumption or use of the psychotropic substance. So government ही decide करेगी कि किसको इंपोर्ट करना है, किसको एक्सपोर्ट करना है, और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग किस प्रोसेस को करना है, सेल कैसे करना है, परचेजर, और जितने भी इनके अंडर आएंगे वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की फैक्ट्री होंगी, और इनको कंज्यूम कैसे किया जाएगा, यूज़ किस में, कौन सी ड्रग साइकोट्रोपी में आएगी, कौन सी ड्रग नारकोटिक में आएगी, ये पूरे का पूरा कंट्रोल जो है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का होता है। तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल ऑन द ऑपरेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल, लाइक ए गवर्नमेंट शैल बी फिक्स द लिमिट और लाइसेंस फॉर द कल्टीवेशन। तो गवर्नमेंट शैल फिक्स द लिमिटेड ऑफ लाइसेंस फॉर द कल्टीवेशन। सो द प्रोडक्ट इज कल्टिवेटेड बाय द कल्टिवेटर शैल बी ए डेरिवेटेड टू द अथॉरिटी ऑफिसर। So government shall be a fix the price to be the paid to the cultivator for the opium derivative. So other rule like the rule may be a prescribed that opium shall be a weighted, examined and classified according to its quality and quantity also. So considered by the officer authority in this behalf by the central government. So in the prescribe of the cultivation at the time to deliver by the cultivation. So other rule may be is provide for the weighted, exam, classified according to its quality of the opium received at the factory, and the full proper cultivation time, proper manufacturing time. So all the record have maintained by the central government, and such a result of the examined, like it can be identify an additional to the standard price of the made in the accordance with the result of the such examination. So the form and condition of the license for the manufacturing or manufacturing drug, the authority by which such license may be granted and fees may be a charge. So गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, और गवर्नमेंट की अथॉरिटी जो क्या है, वो एक कंडीशन होती है लाइसेंस के लिए कि कौन लाइसेंस को लेके कल्टीवेशन करेगा, कौन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेगा, और गवर्नमेंट को फीस पे करनी पड़ती है, उसके गवर्नमेंट के चार्जिंग होते हैं। सो द ओपियम इज डिलीवर बाय द कल्टीवेशन, सो इफ़ फाउंडर एज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन इन द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। सो फैक्ट्री टू बी प्रॉपर हेल्डिंग, प्रॉपर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग and by officer is the authority in the behalf of. So office and penalty like a punishment of the consideration in the related to the like a poppy plant, coca plant and leaf preparation, opium poppy, opium manufacturing drug and preparation psychotropic substance. So punishment for the illegal import into the India, export from the India and transshipment of the India. So इसमें क्या है, पनिशमेंट किया जाता है अगर इनलीगली आप इंपोर्ट या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हो या कल्टीवेशन करते हो विदाउट गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन के और विदाउट लाइसेंस के। तो पनिशमेंट किया जाएगा। दीज आर प्लांट, अगर आप कोका प्लांट, लीफ, ओपियम